Hello, it's Alexandros from RAUCH, and today I'm going to speak about an important topic regarding increasing efficiency and reducing losses during fertilizer application. Behind we have a hydraulic driven axis spreader, axis H 50.2, and I'm going to talk about the topic border spreading. And you know that by doing border spreading it is possible to reduce losses by not spreading the fertilizer beyond the border. Regarding the hydraulic driven axis spreader, it is possible to do border spreading on a press of a button, so we don't have any special border spreading device. We are doing border spreading here on the hydraulic driven axis by changing the disc speed and adjusting the drop point automatically, and this can be done from the isobus terminal on a press of a button. In our case now, for the purpose of this video, we have set already the values for the limited and full border spreading, and in your case you can go to the spreading chart of RAUCH, choose your fertilizer, and over there you will get the setting values for limited and full border spreading. And then you are coming into the fertilizer menu, and in the second side here in this area you can set the values for limited and full border spreading. Shortly about limited and full border spreading, we have the opportunity to do either limited or full border spreading. The differences between these two is that when we are doing a limited border spreading, we are not spreading anything beyond our border, so all the full amount of fertilizer will remain in our field. During full border spreading, we are spreading the full amount until our field border, and some small amount will fly beyond our border. Limited border spreading is used when, for example, our field is close to a street or to a road or to a water course, so we are not allowed by law to spread any fertilizer beyond our field border. And full border spreading we are doing when next to our field we have a neighboring field which is used also for plant cultivation. Let's have a look on the terminal how you can do full or limited border spreading. In our case now, for the purpose of the video, we are doing limited border spreading on the left side, but in your case you can do it on right side or on left side on a press of a button. You are pressing the button here, and now the border spreading is activated. The drop point will be automatically adjusted, as you can see here. That's the drop point for normal spreading, and that's the drop point for border spreading. And the discs are not running yet, but normally the disc speed will be also automatically reduced. You could also do limited or full border spreading to the left side or to both sides at the same time. And you have additional these two buttons here, the minus and plus button, and with these buttons you can increase or decrease the disc speed on the border side. So if you see that your fertilizer is not reaching your field border, by pressing the plus button you are increasing the disc speed on the border side by 50 revolutions per minute. If you see that your fertilizer is flying far beyond your field border, you can press the minus button, and the fertilizer, the disc speed will be reduced by 50 revolutions per minute at that side. Here from this symbol on the top you can see whether you are doing full or limited border spreading. That's the symbol for full border spreading, and if you want to choose it, to change it to limited border spreading, you can do it here from the menu. By pressing this button you will see this X. The X means that you have activated now the limited border spreading. The same thing actually can be done also by using your joystick. So additionally to your terminal you can have also the joystick. In our case now the joystick is based on the right side for the purpose of this video, and on the joystick you have many functions that you can find on the terminal, and you can activate here also the full or limited border spreading on a press of a button. So as you can see here, I have pressed and activated the border spreading on my hydraulic driven axis spreader. So that's regarding border spreading on the hydraulic driven axis, and now we are going outside into the field and demonstrate this to you. Good, and now we are going to demonstrate you how to do border spreading on the field. As you can see here on the terminal, we have 1000 revolutions per minute on the disc for normal spreading, and we are going to do border spreading on the left side. I will start doing border spreading on the left side with full border spreading because I have a neighboring field which is used for plant cultivation, so I will switch this here in the menu to full border spreading. I'm going to activate border spreading on the left side, So you will now, you see here now that the disk speed has changed. We have, for normal disk speed, we have 1000 revolutions per minute and 550 revolutions per minute for full border spreading. And as you can see also, we have a different drop point for the side where we are doing the border spreading. And now we drive off, pressing the start stop button, and the machine is doing on the left side the border spreading. You have the opportunity, of course, to change between full and limited border spreading. If it's necessary to do limited border spreading on the left side, you just go into the menu here while you are driving. By pressing the button, the settings will change, and now we are doing limited border spreading and the fertilizer is not flying beyond the border. You see also the change in the drop point. So from 3 we went to 2.5, and at the same time the disk speed was also reduced automatically to 400 revolutions per minute. You have also the opportunity on the border side to change the revolutions on the disk. So if you see that the fertilizer is flying far beyond your field border, by pressing, for example, the minus button, once you are reducing the disk speed on the border side by 50 revolutions per minute. So that's regarding full and limited border spreading with the hydraulic driven axis. Now during the demonstration I have shown you also how to use these functions on your terminal, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thank you.